Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I want to share with you how I am making my wax seals. I did a video a while ago about a kit that Craspire sent me, and of course it is a wax seal kit. And in that kit I received a spoon, this base, and the wax. I also picked up the wax seal and the handle, and you can take this off. You can take this off and put a different one on here. And so today I decided to make some wax seals. I have to say that the kit did not come with the tea lights. I picked up a bag of tea lights from Dollar Tree, and it is a pack of 20. So let me tell you, I've already been making some, but let me tell you, this gets hot. It gets really, really hot. And so I've already made quite a few, so I just wanted to go over with you how I did it. I am also using my silicone mat. You definitely need one of these. So what I'm doing is I'm using four of the wax pieces. The candle is already lit, as you can see, and I'm just putting it over the top, and I am letting that melt down. So while that is melting down, I want to show you this one that I made, and it says made with love. Can you see that? It does say made with love. And as you can see here, the wax wasn't completely dry, and I stuck my nail in it. So when you are lifting up this stamper, make sure that that wax is good and cool. So what I did was I caught myself and put this on a timer to see how long it was going to take for this wax to melt, because I thought it was going to take a few minutes. It did not take any time at all. The wax melted pretty fast. As you can see, it is melting now. And then I want to share with you, this is hot. It really is hot. And I wanted to take the spoon and move the spoon around, but I forgot this base is not, the base moves. If I move this spoon and try to shake it around so the wax can melt faster, the base is going to move. So you have to remember that you do have that tea light under there. So we don't want to knock anything down. We don't want to waste any hot wax on anything. That is one of the reasons why I am using this silicone mat, because if I waste anything hot on here, it's not going to damage anything. So as you can see, the wax is melting, and I'm going to get ready to pour that out in just a little bit. I also want to share with you that the spoon does get a little warm as you use it. And so you want to be careful about that. It doesn't get hot, 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 but you can tell that it gets a little bit warm. So please, please be very, very careful. And again, I still want to take this spoon and just shake it, but don't do that. Just let the wax melt. And the ones that I've made so far, I just have put them in this little container here. And once I finish making all of them, I am going to show you how I package them up and show you what I created with them. So as you can see, the wax is melting down. And like I said, it does not take a long time for that to melt. So it's looking pretty good. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour it right onto my mat. And I did put, I want to say I put 4 pieces of wax in here, and I'm trying to pour it in a circle as neat as I can. I'm still holding the spoon, and I'm putting 4 more pieces in, and I'm setting that back on top. And I take my wax seal and I just put it on the wax. Once I place it on the wax, I don't move it. I let it sit there for maybe about 40-50 seconds to let it set for just a few seconds. And once I think that it's set pretty good, I just take my finger and press down on it. Again, I'm not moving it, just pressing down on it. Still paying attention to the wax over here on the heat. And so by the time this wax has melted, that would be around the time that I will remove the stamper. So I absolutely love the way that they turned out. Really, really pretty. I already know that I am going to have to purchase some more wax. Now, this was sent to me by Craspire, and I'm going to have to get back on the site and look at the wax because I am absolutely loving how they are turning out. And so it should be done, and it just lifts right up, and I pick it up. Look at how pretty that orange is. And have it upside down. And as you can see, it says made with love. And you get a really good impression. Love, love, love how that turned out. So pretty. And again, I keep wanting to move that spoon around. Still trying to let it melt down a little bit. And as you can see, the packet of wax that they sent came in several colors. I have the yellow, I had this burgundy here, I have greens, and I have some blues here. Really, really pretty colors to work with. And so the wax looks like it's good and hot. Again, I am just pouring it on my silicone mat, trying to pour it in a circle. And this time around, I'm going to put some white wax in here. And I'm just going to place that back onto the base, taking my stamper again and placing it onto the hot wax. Once I put it down, I don't move it at all. Again, letting it set for a few minutes. And then just taking my finger and pressing down on it. And what I have noticed is 4 wax pieces work well for me. This is one with 3 in it. And this is one with 4. So I like the fullness of the 4 pieces of wax versus the 3 pieces of wax. And this looks like 3 pieces as well. But it's really, really pretty. And it's looking like it should be set. Just gonna pick it up. Sometimes it does get stuck to the stamper, and just remove it. And again, you can see how pretty it is. And I'm going to do one more just as soon as that one gets all heated up. I don't know if you can see, but smoke, a little smoke is coming from this. So again, this is very, very hot. So please be careful when you are making your stamps, your wax seals rather. And so I'm trying to figure out, how do I want to decorate them? I know that I want to package some of them up in pretty packaging, but I also want to see what else I can do with it. I'm going to have to put my thinking cap on and come back with another video for that. So I'm just going to pick this up. It still can melt just a little bit more. And if you guys have done wax seals, let me know. I'd go take a look at your video, see how yours turned out. Let me know if you are liking them, and let me know if you are using them other than just putting them on envelopes. I can see the smoke. Not only can I see the smoke, I can smell the smoke. And like I said, I've made quite a few, and I have gotten black soot on my hands and in my fingernails. And so here we go. I'm just going to pour that wax out in a circle. And I'm going to put some more wax in here so it can be burning down, melting down. I am going to place the seal on top of the wax, not moving it at all, giving it a few seconds to set. Once I think that it's set okay, I'm just going to press it down firmly. And that's how I'm making my wax seals. I have looked at a few other videos, and mine is just a little bit different. I think some people take their seal off quicker than I do. But at any rate, let me know what you think about the seals. I will be back with another video showing what I actually did with these. Thank you so much for watching. You know that I definitely appreciate it. You can go check out Craspire, and you can use my discount. It is TYS5 over TYS5. With a purchase of $40, you get $5 off. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. You guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video, bye-bye.